Okay, I hope you guys are all doing great out there in Corona land. Today I want to go over how to draw in your control traverse. So if you notice, I've already created a layer called control traverse. I made it yellow in color, and it's my current layer. So if you could do the same thing, that'd be great. I'm just choosing yellow because it's going to show up well here on the video. So make yourself a layer called Control Traverse. You already know how to do that. So what I'm going to recommend, I'm providing this video to two sections of the same class. So I would say just do your own individual traverse. For my day section, you're going to be working down here, and your control point numbers were in the 70s. And then for my night section, you guys were working up in this area, and your control point numbers were in the 80s. So there's a real easy way. Once we've created this layer, and it's current, I'm going to use a command called line by point number range. It's the very first one here. I don't think we've drawn too many lines using that command, but let's just think about it here. We all tied in to a previously surveyed line, and that's how we all got started with our control survey. We had a control point here at the intersection of 6th and Highland, and that was control point 8, and then another control point down here at the intersection of 6th and State, and that was our control point 9. Everybody utilized those two control points. Now, to draw your traverse for the day section, you're going to use the draw lines by point number range command, and your point number range will be, I think it will be, let's see here, it'll be 8, 9, 71, 72, 73, and then back to 8. Okay? Now, my group on the north part, yours, the evening sections of the class, I don't know if I can do this again here. Let me try. Yeah, here we go. Yours will be your point number range. You might want to just jot this down. It's going to be 9, 8, 81, 82, 83, 8. So you're going to show that line between points 8 and 9. It's not really part of your traverse, but it is the line you used to establish a bearing reference. So let's go ahead and show that. So let's give this a try. I'll try what I just suggested here. I'm going to hit escape, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to line by point number range, this very first one here. We want this one right here. And let's do our southern group first here. So it's line by point number range, and I think I said this one would be 8, 9, 71, 72, 73, and then 8. And we draw that in, and there's my traverse for the day section. Now let's do the same thing for the evening section. And this one I think we said would be 9, 8, 81, 82, 83, and then back to 8. And then we just hit enter, and there's that traverse. Now, you could draw both of them in if you want, but just go ahead and use that line by point number range, and I think I gave you those point number ranges correctly, and draw in your traverse lines. And then the next video we'll discuss setting all those lines at 0 elevation with no delta Z, and labeling them. Okay, thank you.